Hi friends, welcome to Pro Coding Skills, and in this session we'll be seeing about the record detail page. When I say record detail page, so as we discussed earlier, we have a navigation items. This accounts, contacts, opportunities, leads, orders, and we have plenty, but in this admin app we have only account, contact, opportunities, lead, and orders. So look into the more details about record details. So if we want to get into the record details, we need to get into the navigation tab, accounts. So here we have a record. So what is meant by record? Let's say if I create a new, whatever the record you will be getting, the record details, pro coding skills, and you provide a few fields, whatever the needed, ownership, public, education, technology partner, and whatnot. After filling the few details here, if you click save, the detailed information will be open up. This particular page, the one you are looking now, this is called record detail page. This is called record detail page. In this, we have a key terms to highlight. Here we have few things called. If you see this section, this is called highlights panel. This is called highlights panel. We can modify this highlight panel, and we have a related list here, and we have a details, and you have a future information. Let's say your account can be configured and public information of the account, and this is called your right panel. In right panel we have activity charter, and we can add a multiple components that we'll see going forward. For now we'll focus on this one. So you can see a related. What does it related means? Imagine if you have an account and you have a contact. Account is a parent and contact is a child, right? If we have any contact got created under this account, will gonna show up here. Related means, technically what is related means, a related means a child records of that parent object. All these are called child relationship object. These are standard relationship we already had, and if you want we can even customize it. Clear? I hope like this is clear. Else you can comment it out. I can reply it. Okay. And now let's focus on, if I want to see my account details, I can click on account details in the details tab. You can see all the fields of account information here, whatever like we entered pro coding skills, technology. These are called related information. Imagine that I'm going to a contact. I'll create a new contact here. I'll create a new contact here. So I'll say first name. So I don't want to provide my details now, but I'll select my account as a pro coding skills. You can see I'm not entering anything here. I'm selecting an account. This is called relationship account. These are called relationship accounts. Here, whatever you are seeing this particular icon, if you can see this search symbol, right? It means that you are relating to some other object information. Here we are relating to account information. So I'm clicking. If you don't find your account details, you can click like some random text I entered. I didn't have anything. Search. The model will open. You can search for the account details. Here I can say pro coding skills. I'll hit search. I got the record, matching record. I can select automatically. It will populate it. Saved. Now, here also the same scenario. These are the related list. We have a detail section, and if I want to check it out my account object, I can click on my account name. I can navigate back to my account object. Accounts. I'll open my pro coding skills as account we create. You can see that the related contact is shown. It's not necessarily that you need to go to a contact object and you need to create. You can click directly from here. Likewise, you have a new, it means that you can able to create a new record. Let's say if I want to do a charter or if I want to do a follow-up, I can tag anyone in the system as same as in the social. Let's say SF admin, Salesforce admin. Hey, this is my self comment. This is my self comment. And you can provide your hashtags, You can mention your records, right? You can do all this stuff. You can share the information. You can write a poll. You can raise a question. You can do a lot many things as you do generally. But this communication will help on top of record detail page. Hope this is clear about the record detail page. But I just wanted to confirm one thing. The information, whatever you are seeing here, the information whatever we are seeing here, this can be modified, this can be customized according to our business requirements. So this customization will comes in a concept called page layouts. Concepts called page layouts. So we have a concept called page layouts. Inside page layouts we can build it, and we can add extra components through lightning app builder pages. Lightning app builder record pages. So through this Lightning App Builder record pages, we can add extra component. We can even customize the entire layout however we want it to do. For now, we really don't need to do all this stuff in this example. So for now, let's focus again. Let's again, whatever section you are seeing, this is called highlight panel, and this is called your related list, your details, and activity chart and all this, and every field can be reordered and restructured. For example, if I wanted to say, hey, I wanted to say rating, fax, phone, website, tracking number, and ownership should go at the top, then all I need to go to the page layouts. I can customize it through a page layouts, but we can see that in the later sessions. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and follow the channel.